How to read Forex charts in 5 minutes, even as a beginner. Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever opened a Forex chart and thought, what in the world am I looking at? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to read Forex charts in just 5 minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end, you'll understand the basics of candlesticks, timeframes, and chart patterns, so you can finally make sense of what traders are looking at all day. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is a Forex chart? First, let's start with the basics. A Forex chart is simply a visual representation of how a currency pair moves over time. For example, EUR/USD shows the euro against the US dollar. On the chart, you'll see the price on the right-hand side and time along the bottom. This tells you how the price changes second by second, minute by minute, or even month by month, depending on what time frame you choose. So in simple terms, Forex charts tell you who's winning the battle, buyers or sellers. Section 2. Types of Forex charts. Now, there are different types of charts, but the most common ones are 1. Line chart. Just a simple line connecting closing prices. Very basic, good for spotting overall trends. 2. Bar chart. Shows the high, low, open, and close. More details, but not very popular today. 3. Candlestick chart, the most used chart in Forex. It's colorful, easy to read, and packed with info. Most traders use candlestick charts, so that's what we'll focus on. Section 3. How to read a candlestick. Each candlestick tells a story of price movement within a chosen time frame. The body of the candle shows the opening and closing price. The wick, the thin line, shows the highest and lowest price during that time. If the candle is green or white, it means price closed higher than it opened. Buyers are in control. If it's red or black, it means price closed lower than it opened. Sellers are in control. For example, a long green candle equals strong buying power. A long red candle equals strong selling power. Small candles equals indecision in the market. Once you get this, reading charts becomes much easier. Section 4. Time frames. Charts can be viewed in different time frames. 1-minute chart. Each candle represents 1 minute. 15-minute chart. Each candle equals 15 minutes. 1-hour chart. Each candle equals 1 hour. Daily chart. Each candle equals 1 full day. Scalpers use very short time frames. Swing traders prefer 1 hour to daily charts. Remember this rule. The higher the time frame, the stronger the signal. Section 5. Basic chart patterns. Now that you understand candles, let's look at basic chart patterns beginners should know. 1. Support and resistance. Support is like a floor where price bounces up. Resistance is like a ceiling where price bounces down. 2. Trend lines. If price is making higher highs and higher lows, that's an uptrend. If it's lower highs and lower lows, that's a downtrend. 3. Simple patterns. Double tops, double bottoms, and triangles show potential reversals or breakouts. You don't need to memorize everything today. Just recognize that charts repeat these patterns again and again. Section 6. Putting it all together. So here's how you read a Forex chart step by step. 1. Choose your time frame. 2. Look at the overall trend, up, down, or sideways. 3. Identify support and resistance levels. 4. Pay attention to candlestick patterns around those areas. With practice, you'll go from being confused to actually predicting where price might go next. And that's how to read Forex charts in just 5 minutes, even if you're brand new. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner-friendly Forex content, and let me know in the comments. Which chart time frame do you like to trade on? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.